One day, a parrot walked up to the counter inside a convenience store. The parrot said to the clerk, "Got any grapes?" "No," replied the store clerk. The parrot smiled and walked out the door. A little while later, the parrot returned and asked, "Got any grapes?" The clerk replied, "No, I already told you 15 minutes ago. I don't have any grapes." The parrot smiled and once again walked out of the store. 10 minutes later, the parrot returned and asked once again, "Got any grapes?" The irate clerk yelled, "No, we didn't have any, we don't have any, and we're not going to have any. If you come back in here again, I'm going to nail your feet to the floor." The parrot smiled and walked out the door. Later that day, the parrot returned and asked, "Got any nails?" The clerk said, "No." The parrot replied, "Good. Got any grapes?"